Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Mike Susko.
Well, a good Thursday afternoon. An extreme cold watch is now going into effect for the Susquehanna Valley starting at 4 a.m. on Saturday and lasting through 10 a.m. Sunday for everyone, because we could see wind chill values as low as -20 or even lower as we head into the weekend. And that's the reason why Saturday is going to be an alert day. Strong winds all day Saturday will result in those very cold wind chill values with gusts upwards around 45 miles per hour. And like I said, those feels like temperatures all day, -5 to -20, maybe even lower in some cases here, and so the risk for frostbite with prolonged outdoor exposure is relatively high. Here's a look at one of the models for this. So this is now Saturday morning. Notice these values here again, -18 to -23 wind chill values Saturday morning, and then even as we go into the afternoon, it's still well below zero here as we go into Saturday. So Saturday will be a very cold day, including here in York. We got a clear sky right now, and temperatures are currently in the 20s, but the winds are not relatively strong. 24 in York as well as Lancaster at the moment, and 23 in Harrisburg, 26 for Lebanon, 28 in Gettysburg at the moment here, and the winds relatively calm. So it's a quiet day, just cold as we go into the afternoon. Storm Team Live Radar Network showing high pressure nearby. That's why we have all the sunshine, but the clouds not too far away off to the north and west as we go through the afternoon and evening. Those clouds do increase as we head towards the 8 o'clock hour, and temperatures will fall back to around 20 degrees this evening. Overnight tonight, 12 to 16 for those lows, mostly cloudy, and another cold night with light winds. So it won't be too bad with that wind chill quite yet tonight. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy, scattered afternoon snow showers there, coating to 1 inch will be possible, and snow showers will be around during the evening commute tomorrow with temperatures right around 30 degrees. So we do expect things to start sticking pretty quickly once those snowflakes start to fall. As the clouds move in tonight here, the snow will begin to approach the area as we head towards the noontime hour tomorrow. So right around this time, we start to see those snow showers in our western communities, and then it will become more scattered as we go into the 3, 4, 5 o'clock hour. But you get the idea. We have some snow showers around. It's just not for everybody as we head into Friday evening. That cold front comes through to Friday night, and behind it, it's all the wind chills there that we've been talking about. But a coating to 1 inch across the areas here expected with the Susquehanna Valley. So once again, not a big snowfall, but just something to be aware of as you head home tomorrow. There's the alert day for your Saturday, again with those wind chill values getting down to -5 to maybe -15, even -20 in some spots here. And then as we go into next week, the winds finally relax as we head into Monday, and we see those temperatures get above freezing again on Tuesday. A chance for a wintry mix, though, returns to the forecast Wednesday, and then another round of wintry mix possible Friday and Saturday of the following weekend, which will be Valentine's Day. So something to keep in mind, Brian, if there are plans next week and take you outside.
And Mike, as we get